Don't let garlic spoil. Preserve it for 12 months like this. Hello, it's great to see you again on Clever Tricks. Since learning this trick from my grandmother, my family almost never runs out of garlic. Every time we need to cook, we just take it out and use it right away. Incredibly convenient, and the garlic is always fragrant, firm, and never gets moldy. Let's discover it now. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Storage in a mesh bag. Storing garlic in a mesh bag is one of the simplest yet most effective methods. The tiny holes allow for continuous air circulation, preventing moisture buildup and keeping the garlic naturally dry for longer. Choose garlic cloves with dry outer skins, free from mold or dark spots at the base. If any cloves are soft, remove them immediately to avoid affecting the entire bag. There's no need to peel the garlic. Simply gently remove any loose outer skin. This helps keep the bag clean while preserving the garlic's protective outer layer. Add just enough garlic, don't overfill so the garlic can breathe. Tie the bag loosely, avoiding tying it too tightly. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Hang the garlic in a cool, airy place, away from direct sunlight. Avoid placing the bag on a table close to a wall, as moisture can easily seep in from the wall. With mesh bags, it's easy to see the garlic, so you don't need to open them often. Storage time. In a cool, dry place, 2 to 3 months. During dry seasons or in well-ventilated rooms, 4 months or more. Storing garlic in mesh bags is really cute because it requires almost no preparation, but the results are clear. The garlic retains its original aroma, doesn't become soggy or mushy. Seeing the bag of garlic neatly hanging in the kitchen also creates a clean and convenient feeling when cooking. Method 2. Preserve with baking soda and dry tea. Use paper towels or gauze. Take out the garlic, sprinkle a little baking soda and a little dry tea on the towel. Wrap it up and tie it tightly. Put this small bag in the garlic bag, squeeze the air and tie it tightly. Tea has polyphenols that help prevent garlic from sprouting and also absorb odors and moisture well. Baking soda also helps absorb moisture, preventing garlic from absorbing water. Garlic only sprouts when there is enough humidity and temperature. If it cannot absorb water, the garlic will not sprout. Hang the garlic bag in a cool, dry place. When eating, just open it, take out the garlic and tie it up. The garlic will not wither or sprout for half a year. Method 3. Preservation in Ziploc bags. This method saves you a lot of time when cooking and is especially useful for those who like things neat and quick in the kitchen. First, separate the cloves from the bulb. Peel each clove, keeping the surface dry. Discard any bruised, discolored, or damaged cloves to prevent the infection from spreading to other cloves. For faster peeling, you can put the garlic in a small jar. Close the lid and shake vigorously a few times. The peel will come off faster. Arrange the cloves in a Ziploc bag, spreading them evenly, but don't overfill. You can add a small piece of paper towel inside to absorb some moisture. Squeeze out the excess air and seal the bag. Storing garlic in the freezer. This method is extremely convenient. The garlic freezes but still retains its aroma and flavor very well. It can be stored for 3 to 6 months. This is one of the most convenient methods for those who like everything neat and quick. Method 4. Preserve with rice. Place garlic in the middle of the rice bin, bury it deep, and cover it with rice. Rice is a food used all year round in the house. If the rice is at risk of weevils, garlic contains allicin, a pungent smell, which will help repel weevils' eggs. Dry rice helps keep the garlic dry, preventing it from sprouting. The two support each other, both preventing weevils and preserving garlic. Very convenient. Method 5. Frozen golden fried garlic chop or thinly slice the garlic as desired. The more evenly chopped the garlic, the better the color will turn out when fried. Pour cooking oil into a pan and turn on low heat. When the oil is slightly warm, not too hot, add the garlic. Stir continuously to prevent the garlic from sticking or burning. When the garlic turns straw yellow, turn off the heat immediately. The garlic will continue to brown a little more due to the residual heat. Use a sieve to remove the garlic from the oil. Spread the garlic on a paper-lined plate to drain the oil. This will make it crispier and prevent it from becoming soft when frozen. You can keep the garlic oil to freeze separately. It's very fragrant and can be used to season stir-fries, soups, or fried dishes. Wait for the garlic to cool completely. This is an important step. If you freeze the garlic while it's still hot, the moisture will make it soft and reduce its aroma. Pack the garlic into small molds. Pour the fried garlic into small compartments, ice cube trays, silicone molds. Each compartment holds 1 to 2 tablespoons, which is very convenient to use. Freeze for 4 to 5 hours, then remove and place in a bag. Place the frozen garlic in a Ziploc bag or airtight container. Storage time in the freezer, 3 to 6 months. The aroma is well preserved, and the yellow color remains almost unchanged. Freezing fried garlic is a real lifesaver on busy days. Each time you cook, just take a spoonful for that familiar golden aroma, without worrying about burning or having to constantly watch over it. The garlic retains its aroma very well, the yellow color remains beautiful, and the feeling of having clean, fragrant, and safe fried garlic readily available in the refrigerator makes cooking much easier. Method 6. Garlic soaked in vinegar. Natural antibiotic. If you have a lot of garlic at home, don't let it wilt for too long and waste it. Try this simple vinegar soaking method. It's delicious and helps increase the resistance of the whole family, especially in the cold season. First, separate each clove of garlic, discarding any damaged, moldy, or dried cloves. I use Vietnamese garlic, small bulbs but firm and fragrant, very suitable for soaking in vinegar. Put the garlic in a large bowl, pour in water, and soak for about 1 hour. This little tip helps soften the garlic and make peeling much easier. After soaking, rinse with clean water, then peel. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Large cloves should be split in half so that the garlic can absorb more quickly when soaked. The characteristic aroma of garlic at this point will make you want to eat it right away. Garlic is famous for its antibacterial properties, increases resistance, and helps prevent colds naturally, so having a jar in the house is a peace of mind during the cold season. Put the pre-processed garlic in a glass jar, about 400 milliliters. Add to the jar 1 teaspoon of salt, a little rock sugar to create a light sweetness, 300 milliliters of vinegar. A few slices of fresh chili if you like a spicy taste. Pour in cooled boiled water until the garlic is completely covered. Close the lid tightly, shake gently to dissolve the spices. Place the jar in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. After 7 to 10 days, you can use it. The longer you leave it, the more flavorful the garlic will be, the more beautiful the color, and the richer the flavor. Stored properly, you can use it all year round without worrying about spoilage. So I have just shared some great tips for preserving garlic, a small ingredient but with huge benefits. Which method do you think is best for you? How do you usually store garlic? Do you have any other methods? Please share in the comments. I'd love to learn from you too. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more useful tips. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.